I know it's silly, but I've always been a little bit intimidated about crafting wreaths from forage around the farm. This year, I decided I'm gonna do it, and so I started foraging for pine, cedar, blue spruce, yew, juniper, scotch pine. All of the above grow right at home. So I started by collecting a bucket full of each and every variety that I could find. Next, I just purchased a few supplies, so I got a metal wreath form that I can use year after year. You can also make your own out of twigs, some clippers, some floral twine, and ribbon for hanging. Crafting a wreath is actually really easy. All you do is start by creating handfuls, little bunches of greenery, attach it to the wire frame, and wrap with the floral twine 3 times. We're going to keep collecting handfuls, which are about the same size, and go around and around, each time wrapping the bundle to the frame 3 times. When we're finished with that and we've reached the end, we flip it over. We should be able to find the piece of twine we originally started with, and we're just going to tie off and twist the remaining twine that we're left with at the end. Give it a clip, twist the ends together, and that's it. When you're finished, flip it over, have a look, fill in any gaps, clip anything that's too big or sticking out. And then all I did was just string a ribbon through the center and around and tie a knot at the end. And that's how I'm going to hang it off of my walls and from my window sashes. I literally made a dozen of these small 8-inch wreaths to go on the windows in front of my house. So I'm using just greenery and I want them to be simple. But for the big one that's going on the front door, I'm going to go all out with berries and color.